Clinical trials rely on site teams, people who show up every day to enroll and support patients to keep studies moving. Alongside their work comes a financial reality, invoices to submit, spreadsheets to track, and payments that often arrive slowly and unpredictably. That financial pressure can impact the whole team and sometimes strain relationships with sponsors. Clinical trial sites need payment processes that are easier to manage and easier to trust, so they can navigate the complexities of invoicing, cash flow management, and payment reconciliation with ease. And sponsors need a simpler, more reliable way to pay sites for better, lasting relationships. That's the opportunity Suvoda delivers with our Site Payments solution. Site Payments manages investigator grant payments globally, configured to your clinical trial agreement. It delivers accurate payments with less manual effort and fewer errors. Sponsors have used Site Payments to move billions of dollars to sites worldwide, across geographies, currencies, tax structures, and therapeutic areas. Site Payments is an infrastructure built for the complexity of global clinical trial finance. For a sponsor or CRO, Site Payments replaces manual spreadsheets and follow-ups. It handles the distribution of funds, global tax management, corrective actions and amendments, and split payments across payees, so the finance team can focus on the study, not the admin. For sites, it means invoicing through a portal that's easy to use and in their local language, with a clear view into what's been paid and what is owed. No uncertainty about when funds will arrive. Just financial stability and confidence that payments will be made on time, accurately, in local currency. Site Payments is part of the Greenphire Clinical Finance Suite on the Suvoda platform. Paired with budgeting and benchmarking, it connects the full life cycle from budget creation to payment execution through one portal and login, so sponsors have a unified view of every study. When sites are financially healthy, studies run better. With Site Payments, you can trial wisely.